Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now today's coin is part of the Australian Dolphin series. It is the FRASER'S Dolphin. Now this coin is produced by the Royal Australian Mint. It is a 2021 $100 1 ounce gold investment coin. So we're talking bullion, baby. Let's get into it. On the other side of the box, just quickly, of course, we have the Royal Australian Mint logo there, part of the Australian government, and we have some info about the coin itself. Now let's get into this. Slide that off. Now this is a different type of box from RAM. I do believe they're looking into some more environmentally friendly options, which I think is a great way to be going. Got some extra packaging in there that EMK has added, so these coins always come safe to those who order them. First up, we have the certificate of authenticity, and you can see there this coin is 111. For anyone that likes their triple ones there, this is the coin that we'll be looking at today. So there we have all the coin information. Of course, again, it does repeat what I've already said. $100, 1 ounce gold. And there we've got something extra that I have not yet to reveal. It is 250 mintage. 250 pieces of this brilliant, lovely gold coin. Oh my goodness. So for all the gold fiends out there, here we go. And again on there, we've got the information repeated. 1 ounce, 0.49 fine gold. And we can see there on the motive, you've got two of those dolphins leaping out of the ocean at sunset. And I have to say, I really like the gold. It does accentuate the feeling of sunset. Very nice. And then on the obverse, of course, Queen Elizabeth II, 2021, and the coin denomination, which is of course $100. Very nice there. Now, a fun fact about the dolphin itself: can actually dive more than 500 meters deep into the ocean. Could you imagine holding your breath for that long? My goodness. Now, just a little bonus one for today. I do actually have the silver. So let's check out this one as well. Why not? Move you over there, Mr. Gold, or Mrs. It's the same design repeated here again. Those two FRASER'S dolphins leaping out of the ocean at sunset. But of course here you've got a little bit of change. It's 1 ounce, 0.999 silver. Very nice. Queen Elizabeth II, and this one is a $1. Now the mintage for the silver is 25,000 pieces. But I just like looking at these coins side by side. I think they're lovely. Just beautiful. I have to say, I really love the detail of the water. The splash that's coming out as those dolphins are exiting the water. I think that particular work on the coin is lovely. A lot of detail there. And I think it's a nice addition to the Royal Australian Mint's Dolphin series. So please let me know what you think about these coins in the comments. Have you got any of the Dolphin series? Have these coins inspired you to start collecting the Dolphin series? Interesting to know. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching another EMK unboxing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.